Welcome back to Thunkable. For your third app, we are going to build an app that speaks to you when you push a button.
Stop pushing my buttons.
Your third secret character is 1.
Let's get started. On your Thunkable project listing page, select Create New App. And let's call this app App 3 Speak to Me. Fantastic! You can probably tell this app will be very different from our Screaming Goat app. App 3 will speak to you when you click a button. So let's click, drag and drop a button onto your app screen. Let's go ahead and change the name of your button by clicking Rename over here. Let's change the name of the button to T-Swift Button. What does T-Swift mean? T-Swift is a nickname for Taylor Swift, an American singer and songwriter. Let's also change the button's text. On the right-hand side, under the button's properties, scroll down to find the text box over here. Let's change the text to Haters Gonna Hate. Yes, haters gonna hate. Now, we need to add a text-to-speech component, which can be found on the left-hand side. So under the media section, select text-to-speech over here, and drag and drop it onto your app screen. And because this is a non-visible component, it will appear at the bottom over here. Hello? Now you're ready to add functionality. But if you want to change how your app looks, feel free to pause the video and change the colors, the shape, or the fonts on the screen. You can also pause the video to go make a bowl of spaghetti. Let's go to the blocks. Now, we want our app to respond to a button click. So go to the block options for the T-Swift button over here. And from these blocks, let's select when tswiftButton.click, this one over here. Go ahead and drag and drop it into the blocks editor. Now, we need to add a block that tells your app what to do when the T-Swift button is clicked. Remember how we added text-to-speech? Let's select text-to-speech right here, and we're going to select the call text-to-speech1.speak block over here. So drag and drop the block into the tswiftButton.click block. Great thunk! Notice that this block has an opening for another block, and we need to put a block here that will tell our app what to say. And if you remember, we have text options which can be found over here. And we're going to pull out a blank text block. Select this block and drag and drop it into the opening on the other block. You can click on this empty text block and write anything that you want the app to say. Let's write, but I'm just gonna shake, 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 shake. I believe that's 6 shakes. But I'm just gonna shake, 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 shake. Well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Yes, very good. But let's make this app even cooler. What if every time you shook your app, it would make a sound too? This is actually very easy to do. So let's go back to the designer section. So, yeah, yes. Go to the sensors section on the left-hand side and select the accelerometer component and drag and drop it into your app. Great. It should appear on the bottom in the non-visible component sections. Hello? Now let's go back to the blocks section. And on the left-hand side, click the accelerometer sensor, this one right here. And we're going to select the block that says when accelerometer sensor 1.shaking. This tells your app that when your phone is shaking, it should do something. So drag and drop it right under the other blocks. We've already blocked out text-to-speech with these blocks right here, so we can just copy and paste the blocks and add them into this section. And you can copy and paste by clicking the blocks and then using the copy and paste key combinations on your keyboard. For Windows, you would use Control and C to copy, and then Control and V to paste. And for Mac, use Command and C to copy, and then Command and V to paste. Fantastic! Now, let's put these blocks into the accelerometer, and we can change the text to say something different. Let's tell it to say, shake it off. Shake it off. Fantastic work! So now we can test your app by going to Test over here and clicking Thunkable Live. So go to your phone and open up the Thunkable Live app and scan this code to test your app out.
But I'm just gonna shake, 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 shake. Shake it off. Shake it off.
Brilliant work! Taylor Swift would be proud. In fact, let's send Taylor Swift a message on Twitter right now. Remember, you can go back and program your app to say anything. For example, you can tell your app to say, I like pizza, or Hey Albert, what time is it?
I think it would be.
Hey Albert, what time is it? Hey Albert, what time is it? Hey Albert, what time is it?
Oh my gosh, how do I figure this stuff?
Hey,
For our next app tutorial, we're going to build an app that will help us order Chinese food. See you next time, and thanks for thunking!